The following is a project supported through the Canadian Agri-Safety Applied Science Program administered by Agri-Vita Canada. Machinery vibration. Farm machinery can expose operators to several hazards, including vibration, bumps, and jolts. This vibration is tough on a farmer's back and hips, but it can also impact balance, reaction time, and the brain's ability to process information. This can ultimately contribute to falls from machinery and even collisions. This project is investigating prevention strategies to reduce the impact of vibration, with the ultimate goal of keeping farmers healthy and productive. We're conducting trials in our lab-based tractor vibration simulator, and with input from agricultural stakeholders, we plan to bring this project into the field and evaluate the real-world benefits.